Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. Clean the face at home, easy and fast. To prepare a facial cleanser, we need to take 2 small tablets of usual aspirin, water, for granulation of aspirin, honey. Preparation and application. We drip a few drops of water on the aspirin tablets. Wait a few seconds until it is granulated. We add about a teaspoon of honey. We put the mask on the face and after 10 minutes we use it as a scrub and exfoliate the skin with rotational movements. We wash off water and wipe the face with a tonic. Apply to the skin moisturizer. Do not apply a mask in the eye area, there the skin is very tender. A week later, a tremendous effect is seen. The skin is refreshed and leveled. Inflammations disappear. The pores are cleared. Black dots disappear. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.